Place the top on a protected flat surface with the threaded inserts facing up. Align the flip-top mechanism to the top's threaded inserts. Using a 4mm Allen wrench or 4mm hex bit, secure the base plate of the mechanism to the top with 8 JC bolts. Repeat this step for the second mechanism. Place the leg on the mechanism. Using an Allen wrench extension and hand drill, secure 4 screws into place. Use a wrench to tighten the screws. Repeat this step for the other base. Align the handle release holes to the top's pre-drilled holes. Using a number 2 square bit, secure the handle release to the top with 4 screws. Thread the cables through the cable clips. Use a Phillips head screwdriver and screws to attach the cable clips to the top. The cord should have no kinks. With someone's help, turn the table upright and begin use.